Retail Trading Realities Momentum Trend Crypto Edition. Ethereum optimizations, 6-year test from 2018 to 2023. Modeling, open prices only. When we do the single test, we will use every tick modeling. Not every tick modeling. Every tick based on real tick modeling. Those are ticks that come from the broker. Deposit 10,000. Leverage 33 to 1. We won't even use as much as that. And for the optimization, we'll use a slow complete algorithm. We'll be looking for profit factor max. So the inputs I'll be optimizing will be the middle period and the lowest period. The highest period will be left fixed at 1 day. We'll be using 1% risk per trade. Profit factor, which is a multiple of stop losses. We'll be checking 5 different levels from 10 to 18 to 1 risk to return. So 10, 18 to 1. Direction, we'll be checking 3 directions, so both directions, and then short only and long only directions. And altogether, that will give us 240 different tests for the optimizations. And that is 240 different combinations of results. So yeah, that's 4 times 4 times 5 times 3 equals 240. That's how MetaTrader works it out. So as you can see before, I've actually done 62 out of the 240, but I'm going to resume it right now. And the reason for that is because the screen recorder was acting so slow and slowing down my computer, so I had to kind of do some before and try and cut down this video. So I'm going to press the start button and it should resume. Yeah, so far the top result is a profit factor of 2.24. The profit is just over 41 times the original deposit of 10,000. So the profit is sitting at $413,746, and that's 33 trades. And the maximum drawdown during that 6-year period was 35%. Below that, there's another good result as well. That is approximately 34 times the initial deposit of 10,000, and the profit is $342,900. Okay, looks like we've got some improved results. So I think last time I said, yeah, so past 131 was our top result, but there's 3 more results on top of that now. So the top is $766, which is, call it 70 times our initial capital of 10,000. Now these tests are only on open prices. However, this robot is coded on open prices, while like a lot of scalping robots, they are coded on tick. This drawdown column here is maximum drawdown. So it's the maximum drawdown over this 6-year test. So sometimes we don't always pick the top result. Sometimes we pick a result near the top that has a lower drawdown. This expert advisor uses low leverage. So for these back tests and optimizations, we're only using 33 to 1 leverage. And we don't use most of that leverage. So often our leverage is kept under 20 to 1, which means you can use any UK or EU regulated broker. A lot of expert advisors, they kind of require you to use high leverage, 100 to 1 leverage, 200 to 1 leverage, 500 to 1 leverage. And these brokerages that offer that are usually offshore, unregulated. See, scroll to the bottom, see what's going on here. That's quite good because I scrolled right to the bottom and there's been 110 passes and there's only 4 negative results, which is good to see. When you do backtests and optimizations, you want to see that there's like many combinations that work, not just like a handful. We have another good result here. So it's in second place, past 51, 600,047, $500, $509. So that's 64 times the initial capital of 10,000. 64x. Are we going to get a better result than this top result here? Got about 70 passes to go. We're at 173 out of 240. Okay, so 235 passes out of 240. We're coming to the end of this optimization of Ethereum. No, the top result remains at 700,004, about 70 times the capital. So in the next video, I'm going to run a single test on maybe the top 3, and I'll be using every tick based on real ticks. These are real broker ticks that include the bid-ask spread from the broker. And we will be using 33 to 1 leverage again. So let me disable the optimization to run a single test. Let me end the screencast. So I'll see you in the next one.